up, people? I got y'all right here on a 4 hour chart. And as of now, I only see two options really. But first of all, just keep in mind at any point in time, they can just smash these markets down. So don't, you know what I'm saying? Just keep that in mind at all times. But anyways, it appears that some come up here and hit this 100 EMA on the 4 hourly, right? And you know, I always tell you they love doing it by three. So we should come up, tap it one time, retracement, right? Usually half the candlestick, you know what I'm saying? These larger candlesticks you usually see. And then we'll get a retracement back up to tap the 100 EMA again. Either we actually come out, but then we got to hit this danger zone with this previous resistance level that I've been had up here, right? Like literally, if we was to come above here, we probably, I'll say right here, around 20,800, right? We at least had to get up here, then bounce off the 100 EMA, and then come all the way up here. You know what I'm saying? 23,000, and you know what I'm saying? I don't see that happening. That's just for an upside, just in case. But like I said, I doubt that happens. I believe this is what's about to happen. Like I said, two tries to break out the 100 EMA, and then we get rejected, and then we head down to the next zone. And as I mentioned before, like this line right here was already a danger zone. As you can see, it just slightly stays above it. But as I also mentioned before, this is where that large candlestick is going to start at, around 18,700, around this general range, right? This will be the candlestick that's going to start that descent to 14,000. It's going to be a large candlestick, and you don't want to be involved in it. And you know what the rest of the market's going to do too at the same time. But that's going to be the fast move as soon as it get right back down to that same area. So y'all watch out. Anyways, this is how it look on a daily chart. That's only for the upside, but like I said, that's a crazy move. I mean, you know, it is what it is. It does do it, but overall, the whole market is dropping, and I already explained to y'all, you know what I'm saying? Like I'm going to explain to y'all again. Anyways, I'm expecting that information to come through, and we break down here, and we head to 14,000. Because as I'm looking on the weekly and the on the weekly chart, right? Let me take this off. Boom, on the weekly chart, you can see we already recovered this candlestick, spiked up. It don't appear we come to tap this 20 EMA again. It's possible, but I doubt it because we already down below this support we see right here, right? You see this? Boom, stopping pressure. You can see right here, support, literally, and a stopping pressure right there. Now we're below the support. We shouldn't come above it no more. You know what I'm saying? Speaking like market-wise, but they starting to fall off what they usually do in the markets because they're getting real scammy. I'm just tell y'all that now, like they're holding off or something to drop these markets because they're really scamming right now and just dragging it on long as possible. But y'all can clearly see it on the weekly that we're now below it, and you know a new month about to start too. Hit y'all on the monthly. As y'all can see on the monthly, we came up, basically came and recovered this candlestick. That's why you see the wick, and we're literally below that support. Like I showed y'all again, that's why we're holding it right here, just slightly below, which means next month is going to start below this. But as I keep mentioning, we can literally still finish this month off at 14,000, and I believe that's a possibility. As y'all can see, it's clear right here. Boom, we see resistance. And the close of them candlesticks at 14,000. And you see we're just sitting there holding. It don't take that long to get to 14,000 where we're at right now. They can do that in a day. They can literally do that in an hour. Literally. And I believe that's probably what they're going to do. And then once that happens, the new month going to start. And then it's going to be below 14,000. And this is when we're going to see that move to 10,000 all the way down to 5,000 to recover this candlestick right here. It's more detailed on a weekly chart, but on the monthly it shows right here, what I'm saying, around $6,500. But what I'm saying, we're gonna go down, like I say, to 5,500, but it is what it is. So y'all keep that in mind. That drop is about to happen very soon. So let me go ahead and show y'all the chart. As y'all can see, if y'all been watching me, y'all see all this stuff play out just like I said it. Haven't changed this chart yet, and now this is when we get that steep drop to 10,000, that little recovery halfway up to 14,000, and then the last drop to 5,500, And then when we come back up, right, we have to finish the month above 10,000 in order to keep this larger pattern valid. And that's what's going to happen. So basically, we got to get a move up here, you know what I'm saying, above 14,000 and bounce off 14,000 for confirmation that we're in the uptrend. So, yeah. Anyways, anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grown. Y'all make your own decisions. But like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.